What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Hey, this is Mario Byrd here. And man, you're watching this video simply because of the title. Man, why is it that so many marketers are coming off like the kiosk, the mall kiosk salesperson? And what I mean by that is, man, have you ever gone into the mall? And it's happened to me so many times, so many times I used to get suckered into it, but now I've learned. I got strong enough to just keep on walking. So what I mean by the kiosk salesperson, the mall kiosk salesperson, is that's the person, they have their booth in the middle of the aisles, okay? And you got people walking this way and you got people walking that way. And what they do is they engage the group. If you make eye contact with them, what you never want to do, they're going to come up to you and they can say, hey, come on, check this out. And they come with a bottle of lotion, put it on your hand, rub it on your hand. They're like, oh, it's really soft, isn't it? And you're like, wow, it really is. And next thing you know, you're buying, they come out with a bottle of one bottle and you're coming out with two. Or if it's or I seen it happen to my wife or my daughter. They come with a fingernail file and they filing their fingers and doing whatever. And they say this is from the sea or whatever. And come out, buy one, get two. But the worst thing you could do is make eye contact. And that's when they got you, okay? And it's the same thing, with many marketers online, on social media. It's like if you reach out to them, just to say hi or introduce yourself to your friends list, the first thing they do is say, hey, nice to meet you, whatever. Hey, would you like to join my business or know more information about my business? This just happened to me. And that's the reason why I decided to put this video together about it. Not to slander the person or anything like that. I would never do that. But here's the truth in the matter. Almost everybody that don't know what I'm going to share with you right here do that. I was a huge person that always did that, man. I came from traditional network marketing back in 05, and I was always used to, I was always taught that you had to make your list and then you engage your list. And if you're out and about, you prospect, called the 3-foot rule. You prospect anybody that's within 3 feet of you. You share with them, whatever you do your spiel and whatnot. And when I came online, I was doing it everywhere. On my Facebook, I had my business plastered everywhere. I was, pitching to all my friends and all my family. I was blowing it up, just pitching to everybody. And see, all I was doing was pushing everybody up against the wall. I was telling them all about my company, vomiting all over them. And, and the truth of the matter is this, man, people don't care about your business. They don't care about that. All they care about is, what's in it for them. And a lot of times what happens is you don't even get the chance to find out what's in it for them when you are just coming off pitching, because you push them away. Okay. So here's what happened to me. A buddy of mine who knew what I'm going to share with you right here shared this exact thing with me, because he said, Mario, what you're doing, you're going out here pitching your business to everybody. Dude, you're pushing so many people away. You're talking to all the wrong people. So how awesome would it be if you had the right people, people just coming to you because you attracted them, coming to you with credit card in hand, wanting to join you. And I was like, what? How? I couldn't understand that, simply because how I was taught, which is the right way on traditional network marketing. Like I just shared, you're taught to go out there and engage people, talk to everybody, So I couldn't understand that. So what he did, he was like, okay, Mario, since you don't understand, after he was trying to explain it to me, he gave me this quick free training. And I was like, wow, I was blown away. I was literally amazed that you can actually attract the very people that's looking for what it is that you have to offer to come to you pretty much with credit card in hand. I was like, This is the most amazing strategy I ever seen and heard of in my entire life in the world of network marketing. There is no way that, how is it that I didn't know about this? You know what I'm saying? So you can use this strategy. No, and it doesn't matter if you're in real estate, if you're in insurance, if you're in, you're just looking for people, plumbing. It doesn't matter what business you're in. I've learned that you can use it in anything, okay, if you apply this. So I was just so blown away. And it took away from me having to be like the mall kiosk salesperson. So I decided to put this together simply because this happened to me when I went to reach out to somebody. And not to put down the person, by all means, I'm not doing that. Because look, man, the reason why so many people do this, like myself, is because you don't know what you don't know. And that's the reason why, like I said, I'm sharing this information with you. So I'm giving you an opportunity. Look, I can't sit up here and share. Sit up here and try to explain how this worked right here in this quick video, because that's not what this video, the reason why I put this video together, that isn't the reason why I put this video together, to explain it. But I wanted to share with you the story that happened to me and why I decided to compare the most network marketers, or most people that's coming online, marketing their business, to the mall kiosk salesperson. So I wanted to take this time out and help you guys out. So if you want to know how you, instead of engaging prospects, where you become the hunted instead of the hunter, to bring hot prospects to you, people, where you are positioned to be in front of the people that's already looking for you, man, look. If you want to know how to do it, there's a link. I have the link right there, free training, half-hour training will show you, and it blew me away. It changed my business. You know what I'm saying? It changed how I conduct business, because I was that mall kiosk salesperson. I was that person, big time. So, guys, man, I hope what I shared with you right here in this video helped you guys out. By all means, if I said something that was of value to you, to help you out in your business, no matter what the business is, guys, please comment below, and by all means, give me a like, and also subscribe to my channel so you can always be updated to when I put out new videos. So if you watch